Happy Independence Day, Trinidad and Tobago. Over here. Love, do we have an idea what we're doing today? Okay. How many years did we? How many years? 50?
55.
55 years. Happy Independence Day, Trinidad and Tobago. Oh yes.
Oh my goodness.
55 good years you have been striving. Ever since Columbus came and took over the place, eh? Having one of those moments where you came for something specific for somebody, then you end up getting something you don't need at all. I asked her, the question was, if there was a board with settings on it, personality traits and settings, laid out in front of her, what would she turn up or turn down?
What I was saying was I would probably turn up, because the settings are low, I would turn up his planning and organization skills. He'd remember to do things.
Alright.
Your remembrance.
Remembrance is off.
It's off.
Okay.
So that needs to be turned all the way up.
Alright.
All the way. Your crazy could be on mid, because it's on high.
Oh.
Your hardness level could be a little, it could be off.
Okay.
Yeah. And you need to record things, could be on medium as well.
Might need to
Record and use any kind of device in my face, could be on medium.
Your
If I am
off.
going to give you a board with all my settings, what would you adjust?
Alright. Nothing really coming to mind to say let me turn down or change about, you know.
You're trying to be sweet because you're recording.
No, honestly. I mean,
So I will look like the animal.
yeah. I just love you so much that I can't. I wouldn't change anything about you. I just love you so much, and
I should be buying this hat.
you are perfect.